So अभी एक काम है, हम आपको कुछ डायलॉग्स देने वाले, both of you, right? And you have to be Leila and Lily and do it. Suppose अगर आप लैला और लिली होते तो क्या करते?
मैं लिली बनता हूँ
और ये लैला
बनेगा क्योंकि
You are the sexy one, I am Lily. Lily is my heroine, I get to be Lily. Come on.
Okay, so you're going to be the tamer version.
Yes.
Okay, and yeah, actually, I think he will do a better job of
As
Leila.
Leila, yeah.
Something tells me that. So first, we'll definitely go with Leila.
Old MacDonald had a farm. And on his farm he had a cow. Moo. Oh. With a moo here and a moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. Oh.
I'd like to get Sunny Leone back here because, sorry, great director, great writer, but not happening.
Okay.
All right.
Acha, as Lily, old MacDonald had a farm. This will take 20 minutes. And on his farm he had a
Cow.
with a moo there and a moo there, and there was here a moo and there a moo, and everywhere there was nothing but momos. Old MacDonald had a farm. Oh, I sound like mentally challenged.
Yeah, right. But it was so much of fun, and I have to say that there is a reason I'm a Veer Das fan, and you just found out. All right, अभी हम आपसे
Because I'm mentally challenged. No, sir.
Anyways, riddles. अभी हम आपसे riddles करने वाले हैं. Veer, first of all, you. What goes in dry and hard, but comes out wet and soft?
Chewing gum.
He does it for like इनको रोज का काम है. All right, let's see how Milap does. Your finger fits right in it. You play with it when you're bored. Once you're married, you're stuck with the same one forever. What is it? You don't answer.
Gloves.
Gloves.
Your finger goes in.
Fits right in it.
Fits right
Your
in.
finger fits only in the gloves.
Haan.
And you play it with when you're bored.
I play it when I'm bored.
Okay. And once you're married, you're stuck with the same one forever.
I'm at my
Dude, this man has some serious fantasies.
Ring.
Yeah, it is a ring.
Ringa roses.
Are you wearing one?
No, I'm not wearing.
And you're
I'm
married?
but I'm not wearing a ring.
What's at least 6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and is more fun if it vibrates?
6 inches long, goes in your mouth, and is more fun if it vibrates.
Can I answer?
Phone.
No. Your
You
phone
put your
goes
phone
in your mouth?
Yeah, the new technology actually. Yeah,
It's called Bluetooth, literally.
Yeah.
No, but for what goes in your mouth is 6 inches long, and is it more fun if it vibrates?
Yeah.
I have got the answer.
Yeah, I know you do. Okay, आप बता दो.
It's a toothbrush.
Yeah.
It's a vibrating toothbrush.
But
नहीं मैं
How do you put your phone in your mouth, please?
forget all of it. We want to know why would you put your.
मंजन करता है मंजन.
नहीं आप मंजन को छोड़िए, आप हमें बताइए कि आप अपना फोन अपने मुंह में क्यों डालते हैं?
Sometimes you need to, you don't have pockets है.
आप मुंह में और क्या क्या डालते हैं?
हाँ क्या?
आप मुंह में और क्या क्या डालते
अबे साली तेरे डायलॉग डालता हूँ मैं मुंह में. उसके बाद कुछ रूम ही नहीं रहता. टूथब्रश नहीं घुसता मुंह में.
What does every woman have that starts with a V? And that every woman has it?
Does your wife know this? Every woman has a
Every woman has one Veerdas at home. Wow.
In her mind.
In her mind. So, Mila, what does every woman have that starts with a V and that she can use to get what she wants?
Virgin pina colada.
Every woman has a virgin pina colada.
Why not? Every woman, I'm sure, at some point before having a pina colada, had a virgin pina colada.
Are you the brand ambassador for pina coladas?
Well, pina colada अच्छा होता है. Pina colada में कोई बुरा नहीं है. हाँ, pina colada पीना चाहिए.
Pina colada पीना चाहिए.
Pina colada पीना चाहिए तो उसमें बुरा क्या है?
Shame on you.
It was just a voice, but ठीक है. Apparently, इनके हिसाब से every woman in India has one pina colada, and pina colada पीना चाहिए. All right. What do men keep in their pants that their partners sometimes blow?
Penises. Sorry, can I not say that? Look at their faces.
Milap,
Balloons?
Whistles?
you seriously have a very kinky mind. Let me tell you that.
Balloons?
Who keeps balloons in their pants?
कभी किसी का भी बर्थडे हो सकता है. Balloon blow करके लगा.
Okay, show us your pockets. Are you carrying balloons right now?
I'm a balloon right now. Right now, I'm carrying
So
myself.
one second, I want to, what do people...
What do men keep in their pants that their partners sometimes blow? Actually, every...
Money.
Yeah, dude, that's the right answer. All right,
तू
मिला.
अपना balloon रख. मेरे को पैसा
पैसा
चाहिए.
लगा.
अच्छा, आपको ये सिर्फ सुनने में मजा आ जाएगा. People think these are better when they're longer, but short ones can be really powerful. And there is totally such a thing as too long. What are they?
Cricketers. Long cricketers are very good, but statistically, short cricketers have always done very well.
Gavaskar sir, Tendulkar. Basically, कर is important.
And
कुछ
sometimes,
करना चाहिए.
yeah, and sometimes too long a cricketer is a
Ishan
thing.
Sharma.
I didn't want to take names, but sure.
Okay. It's a tweet.
Yeah. Yeah. What starts with P, ends with on, and is the hottest part of the movie industry. Milap, don't say it.
See, whoever you are in the movie industry, all right, you need to eat,
Okay.
right? You need food, you need nutrition.
Yeah.
Who gets you food? A peon. So, peon is the
No,
heart and soul of the
it-
movie
it- it-
industry.
it ends with
No, I have answered
on.
your question. Technically,
On. O-R-N.
Oh, O-R-N.
Unless you have peons.
Popcorn.
Yeah, exactly. It's popcorn.
Who brings you the popcorn?
The peon.
Peon.
It was right.
वेरी नाइस मिलाप एक तो ना मिलाप जब भी सुनते हैं तो वो एकदम एक्शंस करने लगे थे डर लगता है दे आर पावरफुल एंड फन स्पेशली व्हेन यू पुट योर फिंगर्स इन देम व्हाट आर दे
Elevators. Sorry. Your question.
I'm elevated right now. Buttons.
इट्स एक्चुअली bowling balls but we'll give it to you
But buttons also. Yeah, buttons, you put your finger and it's power, light comes on.
Also, bowling balls are not fun.
Yeah, bowling ball.
Just there is the ball.
okay what's beautiful and natural but gets prickly if it isn't trimmed regularly
It is beautiful and natural and gets prickly. A garden.
मैं नहीं खेल रहा इस आदमी के साथ यार
What?
नहीं मैं नहीं खेल नहीं रहा सब तो पता है
कभी बगीचा में है
नहीं, it's actually the right answer.
Right?
Yeah.
Then what then?
दाढ़ी भी हो सकती है. दाढ़ी
दाढ़ी भी हो
दाढ़ी
सकती
खूबसूरत,
है
आपकी खूबसूरत है, इनकी खूबसूरत है. अब ठीक से आप नहीं करोगे तो प्रिकली हो जाएगा.
या
चुम्मा देते वक्त लगेगा लड़की को.
ट्रू दैट आपके साथ ऐसा कभी हुआ है
नहीं नहीं.
आप तो काफी
सर,
चिकने
आज
हैं
मैं पूरा चिकना हो गया हूँ बिकॉज मुझे इंस्ट्रक्शंस रोज सुबह मिलते कि शेव करके आओ ताकि दाढ़ी चुभे नहीं. तो मैं क्लीन शेव.
इंटरव्यू में आप किसको दाढ़ी चुभा रहे हैं
सर कभी कभी वीर को ऐसे पकड़
All right. What's made of rubber? Handed out at some schools and exists to prevent mistakes.
इरेजर.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, they're very good with it.
We are intelligent. Script से पता नहीं चलता.
I don't have any doubt. I mean, उसमें तो मुझे कोई डाउट है ही नहीं. जो भी मस्ती ज़ादे जैसी फिल्म बना सकता है वो इंटेलिजेंट ही होगा because he knows what people want. All right. Now we're going to play the whisper challenge with you. So this is the whisper challenge. The name is very interesting. होना ये है कि मैं आपको ये headphones लगाने को बोलूँगा. मैं कुछ words बोलूँगा जो आपको सुनने मतलब you know you have to read my lips
Okay.
and you have to guess.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
All right. Can you guess anything right now? No.
Can you?
I can get away with saying anything to you.
Do I start now?
Yeah, no, we'll
Sorry.
start now. All right. Pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie.
People live.
No.
Live.
Okay, try again. Pumpkin pie.
People like me
Should go and die.
really want
Iced latte.
action.
Fish you.
We do.
Sunny Leon.
Again,
Sunny Leon.
this is the best interview I've ever done.
Actually, you can take it out.
Veerdas is awesome.
Yeah, you can take
He's
it out.
ridiculously
It's
handsome.
done. It's over. It's
I wish
done.
that all of my interviewers were like Veerdas.
Veerdas is completely
Veerdas
a
is
mad guy.
tremendous.
Veerdas doesn't understand anything.
Please go and see
Veerdas should
Veerdas'
just go and
movie
die. And
on
if he's
January
not reading me
29,
right now, he can just read my
Masti
lips.
Zade.
It's okay. It's done.
I can take it
you
off
win.
now?
Yeah, you win.
Did I win?
You won. Hands down.
Thank
He
you,
was
thank you.
brilliant. But I just wanted to end it when you said that this is the best interview you ever gave.
Thank
So now we're going to give it to Milap. Milap, are you ready? नहीं ऐसे चीटिंग नहीं करना आप साइड में से सुन रहे हो वी कैन सी इट
गाली मत दे, गाली मत दे.
नहीं अभी तो मैंने देना शुरू ही नहीं किया है
okay.
ऑलराइट 1 2 3 डोनट
लियोनी.
गधा
डंडा. डंडा. बंदा.
आइस्ड लाटे
आइस रैकेट.
आइस्ड लाटे
You suck.
नो आई डोंट
Yes, you do.
नो आई डोंट
Yes, you do.
नो आई डोंट
You like it.
ऑलराइट
So what's it? Okay.
whipped cream
Whipped cream.
ओह यू निकालो हो गया इतना ही
डाल
था
दूं?
सर हाँ, हाँ।
निकाल दूं? डाल दूं?
निकाल लो
हिला दूं?
डाल ओह
Take it off.
super job done and Veerdas I have been a huge fan and it was a pleasure meeting you
Thank you.
Masizade all the best
Thank you.